Hey there. Let's walk through how to set up Rust with CrowdControl using a local server. When you first select Rust, you'll get the option to pick either disrupts only or the local remote server option. For this video, we're going to be choosing a local remote server option, so you can go ahead and hit OK. So the first item in the list is to check to make sure that you've read the game guide. Rust has a bit more complex of a setup than a lot of our other games, so you'll need to check the game guide to make sure you've got all the information. Once you've read through, you can hit OK. Next, we'll ask where the game is located at on your computer. You'll see that it's auto-detected the Steam path for me. If it hasn't auto-detected, just go ahead and click that second button in the checklist, and you'll want to make sure that you point us to the folder that Rust is in and not the executable itself. Next, you can go ahead and click on Configure Server Type. We're going to click Local. And now you can go ahead and click to update. This is going to install the Rust dedicated server, Oxide, and the CrowdControl mod. So click OK. This can take a couple minutes, so let's skip ahead. Great, now we can hit OK. And now we can go ahead and hit Launch Server. Once the server is fully up and running, you can go ahead and click the Launch Game button. This is going to take a couple minutes, so let's skip ahead. Now that the server is fully up and running and we have the game launched, you can go ahead and hit F1 at the main menu, and then type in client.connect space localhost, and hit Enter. And then you'll see you start connecting to the server. This is going to take a little bit as well, so let's skip ahead again. Okay, now that we've loaded into the world, you can hit Enter, and in the chat box that pops up, you could type /cc space link, and then hit Enter. Then you'll want to press F1 to view your unique CrowdControl code, which is located right here, that JBK998BV. It'll look different for you. And try not to show this code on your stream. You'll see that your code only lasts for 3 minutes before it expires. So let's go back to the app and type that JBK998BV, and we'll hit Authorize. Then we'll go ahead and hit Authorize again. And then if we wait just a moment, our CrowdControl session should start up. And there it goes. So now that our CrowdControl session is started and everything's linked up, we can start testing effects, which we highly recommend that you do before going live to ensure that you don't have any issues while you're streaming. And there we were able to successfully give the player a rock. And we can go ahead and try and spawn in a couple different things too. One thing to note, testing effects on remote servers may not trigger the effect, but instead a message about it being a test effect. This is normal, and you can assume that the effect will work if you see that message. A couple other things to note. So in this video, we walk through how to set up a local server with Rust, but CrowdControl will also work with Rust remote servers. We have a ton of admin options that are available, and more information on how to set up a remote server can be found in the game guide. Just like any of our other games, if you're having any issues setting up, please make sure to check out the game guide first, as it should have all the information you need to get everything running. If you're still having issues after that, feel free to reach out to us on Discord for more support. We hope you'll enjoy checking out Rust, and as always, thanks for choosing CrowdControl, and we hope you enjoy your sessions.